So there's a 500 video rule that I use. For every format, you need to make at least 500 videos before you're like fully in the algorithm. You're going to have your audience, your search terms, everything's going to be set up ready for a big breakout. If you do all your metadata, all your SEO, but it takes around 500 videos before you see a big breakout. So if you do the math, that's like a year and a half of posting every single day. Once a day, you're doing a live stream. And slowly these numbers build up, and you'll get to like 300, then you'll get to 400. Then you'll have a big day where YouTube sends you a shitload of impressions. And that's your opportunity to capture that new crowd. Because over the following month, that big burst of impressions, all the videos that you upload, like after that, are going to target them. They're going to go to their browse features, their channel pages. And if you can't convert those viewers, it's going to be even slower growth.